2004 facelift Mini Cooper 1.6. This one is a category N from the insurance company, which is non-structural. That damage is actually just there, but we'll come back to it last. This one's got a lot of extras, and this one's only got 27,000 miles from new, which is absolutely fantastic. And it has got a ton of extras. So we've got decent alloy wheels all the way around, pretty much unmarked, and they've all got Dunlop tyres on that have got good tread, so that's brilliant. Front faults, and it's got the chrome pack on the front as well, and it's also got a little chrome grille down the bottom, which is nice as well. And it's got the upgraded xenon headlights, which is a very expensive extra with the washer jets. You can see there's no damage around this front end at all. All down that side, it's actually very nice and clean. It does look like 27,000 miles. And it's also got the full panoramic electric roof as well at the top, which is brilliant. Side quickly. So it has electric mirrors. It's actually got the Harman Kardon sound system, which is brilliant. It's got the twin clocks. It's got the SATNAV, which is a massive extra. It's got heated seats. It's got climate control. It's got the CD boost as well. Auto dim, rear view mirror. It's got the clock at the top. Yeah, it's got a lot of extras, and it's in very nice condition. It's got half leather as well. In the back, it's pretty good. It's not. It needs a bit of a hoover, but it's very, very nice and clean, undamaged. And the back is nice and clean, all straight, no damage. It's got its CD auto changer there. It's got its kit in the back still. Yeah, still got its kit. Right, our category N is on this side here, and we've got no damage at all on this side, all the way till this bit here. And something's bumped into it just there. Now this is just a quarter panel. There's a couple of bolts at the top, a couple there, and it's just caught the door frame down here as well. So that needs to be changed, and I'm not going to fix that, I am going to replace it. Lucky enough to get, there's my cat there, a door in the same colour, indigo blue, all built up with its glass, and the quarter panel on wing. It's in the same colour, there's no paint needed. These are going to be bolted onto this side, and it really will be exactly the same car. And there's also a little mark there, two little dings, so they need to be like repaired by a paintless dent removal guy, easy fix. So to recap, 27,000 miles, category N, non-structural, ton of extras. I don't really know what this is going to be, because you don't find them like this normally with 27,000 miles, but I guess it's going to be around the £3,000 mark, and you won't find one like this for that money at all anywhere.